Hi, this is Glenn here again from Dana Ridge. Today we're going to be blasting a fin from the side of a 1971 Valiant Charger. Normally you would use an aluminium oxide or a crushed glass, something angular, or even a large glass bead. But in this case we're going to do half with the 46 grit aluminium oxide, and just for a bit of fun we'll put a bit of smaller glass bead on the other half. So we've got our slurry going here, and then we're just going to click the air pedal on, and then the compressed air will come out. So the aluminium oxide is quite a hard, durable glass medium. It's about one step down on the Mohs hardness scale from diamonds. It lasts even better here in the wet because it's got that water cushion, so it becomes even longer lasting than you would in a dry. Okay, and now we'll switch to the AB glass bead for comparison. Alright, so here we can see the glass bead's a little bit slower. It's spherical as opposed to the oxide, which is angular in shape. So the glass bead will give you a nice brighter finish. We're blasting here at about 80 psi. And AB is a mid-range size glass bead at 180 to 300 microns. So ideally you'd use a larger bead in this situation. And here we can see the 46 grit blasted on the left. Provides a nice keyed surface for if you want to repaint. The other side you can see with the AB glass bead, nice and shiny and smooth. So different, one machine, different finishes.